DJI has recently surprised us with an action camera that has quickly earned its place as one of the top choices for adventurers and creators alike. Yet, the innovative tech giant isn't slowing down. Signs point to another launch on the horizon, this time for the DJI Osmo Action 6. Despite the recent release of their latest model, new regulatory filings suggest DJI is gearing up for an early 2025 debut of its next-generation device. Reports of the upcoming camera emerged through eagle-eyed observers at Quadro_News and Notebook Check, who uncovered filings at the FCC in the United States. The documents specifically reference a DJI Osmo Action 6 without the Pro designation, hinting that the company may be planning to introduce multiple versions of its next action camera. While DJI has yet to make any official announcements, these filings are a strong indication that the new device is well on its way. The timing of this development is particularly intriguing. DJI's current flagship action camera only arrived in mid-September, which means the company is moving quickly to follow it up. Regulatory filings often serve as a precursor to product launches, typically occurring a few months before devices hit the market. In this case, additional filings with Switzerland's SGS regulator at the end of October reinforce the likelihood of an imminent release. Based on this timeline, we could see the DJI Osmo Action 6 unveiled as early as the first quarter of 2025. While the filings don't provide a comprehensive breakdown of the camera's features, they do offer a few key details about its capabilities. The Osmo Action 6 will support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which are standard for modern action cameras. Interestingly, two battery capacities are mentioned in the filings, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. This suggests that DJI might be preparing two distinct models, possibly a standard version alongside a Pro variant. For comparison, the current Osmo Action 5 Pro already features a 1,950 mAh battery, so it's possible the 1,770 mAh option will cater to a more budget-friendly version. The prospect of a dual-model release adds an exciting layer of speculation about what DJI has in store. The company's recent cameras have been lauded for their compact design, versatility, and advanced creative features, positioning them as strong competitors to GoPro's Hero series. However, there's always room for improvement, and the Osmo Action 6 will undoubtedly aim to raise the bar even higher. For instance, higher video resolutions and better low-light performance are areas where DJI could enhance its offering. Faster processing speeds and improved battery life would also be welcome upgrades, particularly for users who demand top-tier performance in challenging conditions. DJI's current action camera earned high praise upon its release, with reviewers calling it a tiny, versatile camera with serious creative capabilities. Its ability to rival the GoPro Hero 13 Black demonstrates just how far DJI has come in this competitive space. Yet, to maintain its momentum and stay ahead of the competition, the Osmo Action 6 will need to deliver meaningful innovations. Whether that means introducing new shooting modes, enhancing stabilization technology, or integrating AI-driven features remains to be seen. For now, all we can do is speculate about the exact specifications and features of the Osmo Action 6. However, one thing is certain, expectations are sky-high. With its impressive track record and dedication to innovation, DJI is well-positioned to deliver yet another standout product. As we await further details, the prospect of a new action camera with enhanced capabilities and potential dual-model options is enough to excite both casual users and seasoned creators alike.